Hello everyone! I am so nervous yet excited for this video. I've never done anything like this before. This is gonna be like a two-part video because the second part is so meticulous and time-consuming that I need like a full ass like 3 days set aside to get my costume together. And that's if I wanted to make it look as like realistic as possible. So, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Ride or Die with Monia, and I'm gonna be doing the makeup, so like up of the Marvel character Mystique. Now, I saw Mystique and I was like, yes, get it, girl. Even though she's a villain, I think. I don't know, I don't really follow. I just wanted something like super extra. So here we go. Like I do my basic like little meow cat one, but now I'm gonna be like, or whatever noise she makes in the video. Can someone help me out? It's getting awkward now. So we're gonna go ahead, get blue abadi abu dye. I'm gonna need to take off my jewelry and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back in business. I look so naked without my earrings. I still have my 3 in there because my nails are so long. I'm scared if I take them out, I won't put them back in and I don't have any help. So we're gonna leave them in. We just won't paint them. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna prime my face with my Artiste Couture. It is just a very hydrating primer. Oh, yes. I knew that. I just came from the gym. I was so sweaty and greasy and I'm just like parched beyond belief. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with the blue. I'm using the Mehron Paradise Makeup and Face and Body Makeup in the color Lagoon Blue. This is after hours upon hours of research, the color that is identified as Mystique. I have a little care jar of water. I have Tati's little thing because I don't use this at all. I want to just, oh, you have to get it like wet. Oh, I love this. It's gonna be so fun. Holy shit, guys. And we are going in. Okay, so I've covered as much of my body as I could for the purpose of this video. Bitch, if this shit stains tomorrow, my boss is gonna be like, who invited this Oompa Loompa? Not I. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my Doja Cat Mega eyeshadow palette because the quality of it all is like rather shitty. So I'm gonna use this to kind of just build out the dark eyeshadow look that Mystique has. I'm going in with the color Venus, which is like this deep, dark navy blue. So anywhere I need depth, I'm just gonna basically go in with that darker, deeper blue. Now that this paint has dried a little bit more on my body, I'm gonna just go in with the blue and go in the areas that are just needing for a little bit more depth. That's also a nice, neat little trick is you can go in back with the blue and just touch up any area that you're like, I didn't do the best job blending there, so I'm just gonna do it old school way, which is, this looks fucking legit. Bitch, that looks amazing. Next, I'm gonna put on my lashes. Just because I don't feel like doing mascara. Sorry. I feel like the lashes make it super feminine, and that's not her character, so I don't like these actually. I like it better without the lashes. Okay, so next I'm gonna add in the scales using the Mayron Makeup Liquid Latex. I'm gonna pour this. Actually, I think I'm just gonna dip right into the bottle and start building up the scales. And I'm gonna just be using the back. It's just this like, it's my eyeliner pencil or my liquid liner pencil, and I'm just gonna be using the back of it to dip and build out the scales. So kind of starts like here. Let this dry down to like a flesh tone, and then I'm gonna go over the scales with a darker blue to just make them pop a little more. So now what I'm gonna do is all the scales that I have, I'm gonna go back in with my Doja Cat, just that Venus color, which is slightly darker, and just start tapping on all the scales. The last thing I'm gonna do is add in the contacts. Okay, so after a long stay worth of work, this is the final makeup look for Mystique. What do you guys think? Do you like this kind of crazy makeup that I've got going on? Do not. I've never done something like this before, so it's just all very like intense. Like this is a lot for me to take in right now. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not? I'm here for it. I think if I would do this again, I definitely would have different textures involved when it comes to the scaling in the skin. It's not as pronounced as I would like it to be, but for the spur of the moment, kind of winging it, not per se winging it, I have been planning this for like the past 3 weeks. I think this came together really nicely and I like it. So part 2 will be putting the costume together. Please subscribe and make sure you turn on that notification button, because come on, I know you're dying to see what the costume's gonna look like. I know I'm excited. I can't wait to see what I pull out of my ass. That being said, thank you for watching my channel. My name is Monia, and until the next one, bye guys. Although I've lost you, I'll always want you. This makes my teeth look so crisp, clean, and white. Colgate, where are you? Ah! You take me higher. Damn, this is all getting messed up.